Hey everyone, myself Nisha. I am a MBA student at University School of Management Studies. Currently, I am doing an internship in Equity Research Associate at Collabgenics, which is going to be end soon. So I would like to share my experience with you all of my internship. So in my internship, I have done courses on equity research and research analyst. That is provided by inSAKE solution. I have learned how to do fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and how to analyze the company's financial statement. Now I am able to make a equity research report on the basis of the knowledge provided by the inSAKE solution. So I would like to thank Collabgenics for offering me the internship and inSAKE Academy for giving me or providing me the opportunity to learn such a valuable courses on equity research plus some kind of soft skill courses also. Thank you.